Everyone, in today's video, we will see how to add a Pine script in TradingView in mobile and website. So firstly, we will see how we can add in website. So to add your Pine script in your website, firstly, you can simple click on in your right sidebar the Pine icon. Once you click on it, it will open a Pine script editor. Now here you can simple add your script or write a script. Okay, then after you will wait until it will not gives any error. It will gives any error. You can simple resolve it. If it not gives any error, then you can simple click on save, and then after you can simple name it like my script. Okay, so once you enter it and click on save. Okay, and now simple tap on publish script. So now here you will see it will gives one error. You can simple resolve it and then simple click on publish the script. Okay, so here is how you will easily do in mobile, sorry, in desktop. Now we will see how we can do in mobile. So for the mobile users, so in mobile you cannot create or edit Pine script. Okay, so the mobile only allows using saved script, applying existing indicators or not coding new ones. So to use your script in your mobile, you can simple click on the three dots to open the indicators. Now, firstly, you can create the indicator, sorry, create a Pine script in your desktop, means in your website. Then you can save it. And then after once you save, you can open your app fresh and then go to the indicator section. And then here you can simple enter the name, which name you saved your script. Like I saved my script. So it will appear here. Here you will see. So once you tap on it, the indicators will be automatically applied here. Okay, so here is how you can easily apply the Pine script in mobile and desktop view. Goodbye.